To err is human, but errors are expensive. But what if you could eliminate them? What if the process could be simple? What if you could easily begin automating your production? What if you already had an expert partner with proven solutions, recommended by both Beckhoff Automation and Rockwell Automation? Well, you do. It's Domino. Listen, automating your workflow doesn't have to be scary. Our goal is to keep it simple. We have the expertise in not only the devices and equipment, but also system integration, network connectivity, operational procedures, and more. We know how to start small, building around existing infrastructure, keeping costs low, and most important, benefits high. Because we provide industry-centric solutions with integration that works directly with your existing ERP and SAP systems. Everything begins with coding automation, allowing for the biggest potential for immediate return on investment. We can help you connect your output to an overall business strategy in ways that drive revenue, reduce risk, and eliminate costs, all while helping to eliminate human error, the source of many problems. We support barcode scanning lookup, database population, code product validation, and more to save you time and money. Domino has developed proven solutions based around automation, with the added benefit of understanding your business. And integration really is that simple. So contact Domino to learn more.